I chose Panter and Sampedro off the recommendation of an attorney that I use for my business. If I recall, my business attorney called them and I had a phone call within 10-15 minutes. And they gathered up the information, the basic information, and that's when the relation started the following day. My outcome was very good. It was exactly what I expected. I was very happy and I accomplished paying my bills, and that was most important. I would say Panter and Sampedro have all the resources out there to deal with any type of case. They utilize exactly what is needed for at least my case, and I'm sure other cases. I did not ever feel that they utilized things that weren't necessary. I know that they deal with many, many different cases, far more serious than mine, but they treated me just the same. I didn't feel that, my case wasn't any less important than another case that was probably going on for years. I was very at ease knowing that they were going to take care of a situation that was beyond my control, and that I would get results and compensation for their efforts and for what I went through. And so it made me at ease. It made me at ease, and I got funds to pay my bills. And that was really the main goal. Nothing more, nothing less. When I first met the firm Panter and Sampedro, it was well after the case when I went to their office. And what was really nice about going in their office, it didn't feel like an attorney's office. It just was very homey. That's the best way to describe it. And everybody was really nice. The secretaries, just everybody. And it just felt, you felt at ease. There was no pressure. I would highly recommend Panter and Sampedro simply because they are honest, they are informative, and they're thorough. They guide you very well. They allow you to make the decisions. They give their advice. There's no pressure. I hope not to have friends or family that have to use them, but if I needed to recommend them, it would be Panter and Sampedro. I was very impressed, and I learned a lot. Especially when it came down to the mediation part of the case. They put a lot of work into what they're doing. So their number one concern is making sure that things out there that could cause harm or do cause harm, hopefully they'll get corrected. My experience with Panter and Sampedro was excellent. As a matter of fact, at the end of our day together throughout the mediation, I told them I was going to miss them. I said I enjoyed working with them. They became part of my life for 2 years, and it was great. It was great. They're just a great firm. Again, I can't reiterate that they are just real people, just like you and I. They just do a job that's very efficient, and they care.